This video will demonstrate the steps to install the alloy LED Mudr 1 and Mudr 2 channel. To ensure the proper configuration is ordered, please make sure to fill out our order form. The order form can be found by navigating to our website. Navigate to Products and then click on Channels. From there, click on either of the Mudr channels and navigate to the Download drop-down. Download the fillable order form and fill out. In the order form, you'll select your configuration type of either straight, wrap, picture frame, and zigzag. Send completed order form to solutions@alloyled.com. Step 1. Ensure a low-voltage power feed that is compatible with the selected tape light is installed and accessible, where the fixture is to be mounted. Step 2. Alloy LED recommends using power factor dimmable power supplies for Mudr series installations. Connect the tape light to the driver and turn on the power. Ensure the connection is secure and working properly. Turn off power before proceeding with the installation. Step 3. Cut tape light to desired length at the cut points. Make sure to include a few extra cut points of tape to avoid dark spots at either end of the fixture. Mudr 1 and 2 have multiple configuration options including straight, wrapping around corners, picture frame, and zigzag configurations. Wrap configurations will require a bevel cut, and zigzag picture frame configuration will require a miter cut. Step 4. Depending on the installation, Mudr 1 and 2 have multiple linking options. Bevel cut for wrapping configurations, miter cuts for zigzag and picture frame configurations, and straight for straight configurations. Place linking pieces into each side of the channel, then slide both channels end to end. Use a hex key to fasten. Step 5. Cut the desired mount area into drywall, allowing channel wings to rest on the outside. Note, tape should not be installed until the channel is completely installed. Insert the channel into the cut section without the lens installed. Fasten channels to drywall and studs using drywall screws for added stability. Step 6. Cover channel opening with painter's tape. Apply drywall tape along the edges of the channel to prevent cracking. Do not overlap strips of drywall tape. Plaster, sand, and paint the installation. Step 7. Remove painter's tape. Clean the inner channel area with an alcohol wipe to remove any dust, debris, or oils. Connect tape to pre-wire low-voltage wire using an amp champ. Insert the tape light into the channel by peeling off the covering of the tape light's adhesive backing and pressing the tape in a straight line. If there's excess tape light, tuck it into the wall or behind the channel. For straight configuration, install tape light centered on the back of the channel. For wrapping configuration, install tape light centered at the back of the channel. For picture frame and zigzag configuration, install tape light on both sides of the channel. Insert the lens cover by firmly pressing one edge into the channel. Continue along the channel until the lens is securely in place. Step 8. Your installation is now complete. Turn on the power to the fixture to test.